Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That's loud.
What?
That's loud. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna introduce to you my new car. I can't do it.
Do it?
I can't do
Hold
it.
the camera out.
Hey guys, welcome back to, where should I look? In the middle here?
Yeah, look at the camera,
Okay.
not at the screen.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Amanda, and I'm gonna be taking over the channel. Mike is no longer filming, so this is Girls for Speed.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have added another Toyota to the garage. I have it right on the other side of this camera so you guys can't see it right now. Unfortunately, my girlfriend was in an accident a couple months ago, and somebody ran a red light and totaled her car. The good news is that she is okay, and also I guess good news is you got a new car.
Yeah.
What do you think of it
I love
compared
it.
to your other one?
I love it.
Yeah? Alright guys, so here is the new Toyota. So as you can tell, she got a Rav4. Not only did she get a Rav4, she got one to color match the Tacoma. How awesome is that? And do you know the color of this blue?
Electric Storm Blue.
Yes, and we have a blazing blue pearl electric storm blue. It's actually very, very bright. If you've ever seen one on the road, how many have we seen since you got this?
Like 100.
Like 100. It makes my truck look dark, and I thought my truck was a bright blue, but this is like in your face bright blue. So do you want to tell the viewers exactly what model this is and kind of everything about it?
Yeah, it's a 2017 Rav4 XLE.
So it's one under the top of the line, which is a limited. And this is a one owner. It has what, 19,000 miles on it?
16,000.
Hey, 16,000. I have 22,000 on mine. So I know how I obviously drive mine being a one owner. So the owner of this hardly ever drove it. But we have the innovative waterless wash right now, just giving it a bath. There's a couple imperfections around the paint which we can get corrected, so I'm not too concerned about that. But overall, the condition of this car for a one owner, it's very nice.
Been looking for an SUV before the person hit me.
Yeah.
So I knew that's what I wanted if I had to get a new car. And I really wanted the blue because I love blue. Plus my first car was blue.
And because I have a blue truck and a blue motorcycle.
It's not even the same blue. But no, I loved this car.
Well, let's take a tour of it.
Okay.
We'll get back to washing it here in a little bit.
Okay.
So let's start off on the driver door here. And your favorite feature that you haven't had before.
My favorite feature is to lock and unlock with your finger. So lock.
You got to step back a sec and then let the key relearn. Yeah.
Unlock.
Yeah. What she has on this that I don't have is she can do it from the passenger side as well. I wish I could do that on my truck because that's a pretty big convenience feature, I think. Being able to do it on both sides. But obviously this is more family oriented, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
Than the Tacoma. But you have the black interior. It came with the all-weather floor mats just like I have in the truck. So much easier to clean.
It has the lane keeping assist, and it has the all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive. Yep, all-wheel drive. Which actually in the Rav4 you're not supposed to do unless you're not on pavement. So it's really for like snow or gravel or something like that if you got stuck.
Yeah.
But why don't we go ahead and show them what I already installed on your center screen. Let me come around. So which picture is that?
Ah,
we have a
like
picture of the lake. If you shut the screen off, you have you, me, and Maddie with the Christmas tree. So that's a pretty cool, yeah, that's a pretty cool option on the Tacoma, the Rav4, probably some other Toyotas as well. My dad's 4Runner might have that too. So you can set the screen off to whatever picture you'd like, and then obviously go back to everything else. So that is pretty fancy. You have an eco mode and a sport mode for a little bit more power.
Been using the eco mode.
Yeah.
I'm used to like 42 miles per gallon gas, so.
And this gets 24, 23?
No, like 27 to 30.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
The truck's at like 18 right now, but I'm not stock, so that's irrelevant.
Yeah.
And you have a sunroof. You've never had a sunroof before.
Yeah, I love it.
So that's pretty awesome. It's a very, very hard car to find. And by that, I mean like the color combo. Because all the ones you were finding were blue without black interior. Because everyone had a cream or white interior.
Yeah.
Which you didn't want. It was going to be too dark.
It was like gray and cream.
Yeah.
Cloth. Which will get very dirty. That's
going to wrap up basically the new Toyota in the garage. Pretty awesome that we have the Tacoma, RAV4, Supra, and my dad has the 4Runner. So what do you think of it since you put 1,000 miles on it?
I love it so far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It has everything you want, and with only 16,000 miles?
Yeah.
You're going to be able to run this over 100,000, so you're going to have this for quite some time.
Good.
But I think now is the unexpected part, a surprise modification. Your first mod for the RAV4.
He said bought wheels or a lift kit for it.
I will be right back. Let me go get it. Let me go get it.
What is it?
I'll go get it.
You bought me the steering wheel cover.
No. She doesn't know that I got these. So we're gonna have to unbox them.
Did you buy me the steering wheel cover?
No, I didn't. No. I want to get your reaction on camera. That's why I didn't want to show you this package until now. So let's go ahead and open it up.
What is it?
You want to go ahead and open it up?
It's lights.
This is basically an early Christmas for you.
It is?
Well, today is December 7th, so you guys are seeing this probably towards Christmas. So for the viewers, Merry Christmas. And Merry Christmas on your
my first mod.
First mod for the
Oh, we didn't tell them that, well, I guess my second mod will be the floor lights.
Yeah. Compared to her last vehicle, there are a lot of mods that I want to do to her car. So comment down below if you guys want to see us do some parts to this.
Cool, I got some LED lights.
These are LED lights from lastfit.com. I will have their link in the description below. You can also use our promo code, so that way you can save 10% on your next order from LastFit.
Cool.
This
is how you spell it.
Yeah, we've had a ton of their products on the Tacoma, the GTR, the Z even when I had that. But I think now it's time to install these.
Wow.
You excited?
Okay. Is this why you were under my hood a couple weeks ago?
So when we bought her car and we brought it home, she kept yelling at me because I was messing under the hood. I was trying to get the bulb size, so I knew exactly which ones to order for you. So you can be mad at me 2 weeks ago, and you can be
I'm not mad
proud
at you.
of me
I love
now.
You.
So she drives a lot at nighttime, and this is definitely important for that over the stock bulbs. So
these are just for the headlights, right?
This is headlights and high beams. Your bulbs are 2-in-1.
Oh, they are?
So this is going to be a headlight high beam bulb.
Cool.
Yeah. Just the design of the RAV4, it doesn't have two separate bulbs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm actually going to be watching her, and I'll help you here and there. But this is the first mod for your first vehicle or first moddable vehicle. This is going to be a learning experience for you. We have a ton of mods for the RAV4 that are actually going to be functional mods, so we're not doing anything crazy.
My engine bay.
So let's just hold these right here. So we're on the driver's side now. Do you know where your headlight is? Here's one way to tell. So look at where this one comes.
It's right there.
And that's an amp. Well, come here, look at the color of the bulb. That's a turn signal bulb.
Okay.
See how that's the amber color?
Okay.
There's only 3 options, and you just did 2 of them.
Here.
Yeah. So do you want me to twist that out, or do you want me to watch you do it?
Lefty loosey?
Yeah, that's right. You just need to kind of loosen it up enough so where you can pull those apart. And then you just, yep, just like that.
All right, so now we have the light in there. It doesn't quite sit as flush as the regular stock light, which is right here, so you can see the other side sticks out more. So we're going to see the difference between the two during the day.
So here's the headlights. How do they look?
Well, this one looks really bright, and then this one looks really yellow.
How do you like it over the stock so far? Is it much brighter? How's your field of vision, I guess?
It's a lot brighter, and like I said, a lot whiter.
Yeah.
Whiter.
Try your brights after this car.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah? Is it much more clear than the stocks? So you feel more comfortable driving at nighttime?
Yeah, I can see really good to drive at night.
Yeah. Awesome.
I'm excited to have LED bulbs.
Yeah?
Yes.
I don't even have them anymore. That's awesome.
I love it.
So we'll go ahead and finish up the passenger side. And then that's kind of gonna be it.
Yeah.
We'll do some nighttime shots later today, which you guys will already have seen just now. But there's your first mod. What do you think?
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
It's great.
It's important to see at nighttime. You drive at night a lot. So make sure you guys check out lastfitautolighting.com. I will have all their information down below. Again, if you use Bros for Speed 10, you'll save 10% on your next order from them. Definitely a must, don't you think?
Yeah.
But I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. What do you think? Anything else?
I'll just finish washing it.
Finish washing?
You don't need to see that.
All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, adding another Tacoma. I wish, right?
Adding another
Rav4
Toyota
to the channel. The Rav4, it's an awesome little SUV. I love it. With all-wheel drive.
Toyota's pretty good.
We might have to lift it, wheels, and we'll go off-roading together. I got a toe strap in case you
I'll
get
just do the floor lights and steering wheel cover or something for right now.
And light bars and...
Maybe the front light bar.
That would be
I see a grill that looks a little lonely.
Right here, yeah.
Little lonely.
Now we're not going to make it look tacky. It's going to be nice and clean looking.
I'm still going to get my girly monogram tag on the front.
All right, guys.
My light bar above it.
So stay tuned. Hit that like button, the subscribe button as well. We'll see you guys in the next video.